My pleasure to be here is, first of all, to see Morocco in all of its beauty and splendor. We spent a day camping out in the desert with my children. We rode camels, we camped down by the water and had lunch outside. It was just beautiful. We've been looking at Morocco and really enjoying it. You know, I feel very present in this moment and very much in my gratitude and my humility to be honored not only by this festival but by Martin Scorsese, who's the finest director that we know. And that's enough for me to get on a plane and travel around the world.
Why do you think they wanted to pay tribute to you?
I think that I'm an international person. I'm an actress who has made films internationally, and because I have a sort of international diplomacy in the work that I do towards peace. I believe that people at this time, particularly in the reactivity to the word Muslim, that people need to understand that there is a peaceful, loving, compassionate Muslim country.